everyone, it's day 2. We're gonna go get our breakfast. This is the fit. Something's light, something's light. We're gonna go get some zombie tacos. We had a lot of fun yesterday. Came to the hotel, we were done. Yeah, I'm excited to eat something. I think we're gonna go to
Zombie taco.
for the day, I think we're gonna go to like a slime institute and then a laugh factory. It's so cool in here.
These are fire.
I think I'm gonna get the zombie burrito. It's like the cheapest thing right here.
Ooh.
They have yogurt, they have everything here. This was such a cool spot that we wanted to bring Belize and George here. I know. Oh my god, this is so cool. They literally had every game you could ever think of in there. This is such my spot. It didn't look that cool in the pictures, but it's hella cool. I don't know what this is called, but we started playing it while we were waiting for our food. Like you guys heard me say, it didn't look like this at all when we Googled it, so I'm super surprised. A taste test from James right now. All right, he digged the tacos. Okay, and I tell you guys, I don't know what was in this burrito, but dude, like I've never tasted a burrito like that. This is bomb. I'm talking, they had Uno, they had a mini pool table, they had these little Polaroids on these walls, vinyls, like vinyl players. They had everything. And I think we were below the Moxie, the hotel. I was in love with this pillow. They had, it was indescribable. Like, it was a very unexpected aesthetic. And, you know, you already know how it is. I'm beating him at this, as always. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. We say goodbye to all the cute little aesthetics. I really like this. So now we are going back to our hotel. We are back on the street. We're back in the hotel. We're waiting on Belize and her man to come because we just ate and it's the morning. Oh my god, I love the spot we went to. It was so cool. Yeah, James picked a good spot. And I'm actually gonna change because it's a bit chilly. It's a bit chilly outside. We look like an outsider because everybody has sweaters on. They have jackets on. Is that bad? I don't know. I curled my hair because I wasn't feeling straight hair. And yeah. We're on our way to this place called Wings and Rings. Say hi, check the fit. Let me see your shoes. Belize and George said that it was amazing, apparently, to everybody they knew. We're going to Wings and Rings.
Ooh, they got the game on too? Perfect.
I got buffalo hot. He got hot. Some potato wedges. What did you get?
Boneless, buffalo barbecue.
What did you get? Okay, sorry. Just for the luck. We're at the boba place. We're gonna get some boba. About to go to the bonfire. Yes. Oh, this is wrong angle. Yeah. Well, tell her to bring them out. I got the peach one. She got the peach one too. And then, what did you get? Oreo Wow? We're now at the bonfire. We used George's old wood, so it was having trouble burning, but that's okay. We got it up. We also started to drink a little bit. We started to make s'mores. Sorry, y'all. Gotta take a break. Hold on. I love s'mores. Like, you will never catch me not eating one at a bonfire.
Videotaping yourself eating it?
Who was the first person to eat soup recently?
Soup. We're taking shots of Patron. Oh my god.
I don't know where it is.
No, just don't take.
You'll be straight, man.
Hasn't taken me out.
Can't be a tie.
Hard is what she always be. She never mess with entertainers because they always leave. She said it felt like they walked in drunk.
We made it back to the hotel. And I think we're gonna go back to Zombie Tacos because there's a lot of games there. It's been a wild night, so I haven't really been recording, but I'm gonna try to give it a that. We got Boba earlier. Belize and George are trying to find parking, so they come to our hotel for a little bit. And then we're gonna go to Zombie Taco, play some games there. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of fun there, actually.
What's going on, everyone? Me and George are
Fucking being boys.
we vibing. You know what I'm saying? All I gotta say is I look sexy. That's it.
We're almost at the hotel. She's in here now. The party hotel.
Is it?
Got Moxie. This one right here, babe.
Same thing as her?
Yeah, please.
What it's like to be grown, everybody.
They're all the same? No, they're not. Those are fish.
By her house?
By Mo.
Her house? You fuck with the casino hard, huh? I know every casino in this motherfucker.
Don't listen to this.
You don't know, bro. I know every casino.
Yeah. Hey,
I've been to all of them, bro.
San Diego got some bitchin' ass casinos, bro. For real, bro.
What's going on?
Wait.
Hey.
Dead, though.
You gotta fucking push that shit in LA, dog.
No, it's not. That's the funniest. Oh.
Don't go, bro.
It's not in, it's in the red mile. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's gonna be a workout right now. We're on our way to a casino. Hopefully they let me in because of my expired ID.
Hopefully, please.
We're going to Baldi's. Update, I did not get to the casino again. Now we just ran up the fucking rail to get up to a parking lot so we could get more alcohol. I'm tired, but the party is still going, so I'm gonna keep going. You know how it is. We're going back to our hotel to drink a little bit, and then George and Belize are gonna leave, I think.
How we doing, everybody?
We're doing okay.
We're doing alright.
Yeah.
I'm with my girl. Loving my life. Here comes the car. They're gonna kill us right now. Oh, she does. Lisa's coming. Be quick.
Why are you getting angry?
I've already seen it enough times.
Carry one of my pockets.
JK, we're going to McDonald's. Oh, this one's really nice. I don't know what the fuck we're doing now. I got some apples and a ice cream. What'd you get?
I got a number 7 meal
I'm so cool as hell.
with plain with sweet and sour and a sweet tea.
Yeah, that's a smoker right there.
Want some best friend?
Uh-uh.